This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far.
If boy did want breed me, I me never want breed because number one, me just do my breast them. There's no way my breast them not even heal yet. There's
But
no
that me I said the last time me check, you da put on weight, figure put the fat round her back.
right.
So me don't know how what.
Even if me could have did a baby same way and then do my surgery after me get one next youth. Cause more the man have 2 youth and then go to surgery. But my breast them just do.
So
There's no way. Breast and then not even heal. Figure breed. Yeah.
Ivany is all over the TikTok For You page after she breaks up with her now ex-boyfriend Keno. She even shows on live her going to Keno's house at 3 o'clock in the morning for a $600 headphones that she says she bought with her money and wants back. Bear in mind, she had her baby Ivante with her. According to Ivany, the reason she and Keno broke up is because he is making fame and his social status get to his head. Because she helped him build his following, and he used to call her every day and bring her roses, and ever since she helped him build his social media presence, he stopped doing that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
So girl wants out of the relationship, and she wants to cause a whole commotion on the way out. And a lot of her fans are disappointed in her current behavior, and it's just weird at this point because didn't you go to jail for the same thing a couple of months ago? Not only is she leaving with a commotion, she is telling on herself that she is passing out gifts, and when I say gifts, I'm talking about the herp.
Boy, if you don't get...
So Ivany really tell Keno to do herpes test on live? Like Ivany, you know I think? You really serious? Boy, I'm afraid your bad sister girl and I have no heart. Herpes test?
Ivany, you remember when I tell you a couple of months ago, I just watch and I see what go on. But more is to come, you know. But today I'm calm. I'm calmly waiting more story, you understand? Yeah, man. Everybody done see it already. Yeah, man, your ass nah gotta go far, you know. You understand? It's just where it is. It's just sad. You know, I'm out of words now. Young lady, I'm out of words. You know, just pray that prayer can help you. You know, a lot of people can change and, you know, recuperate from their ways. But just remember this. It's never too late for a shower or rain. So if you really mean yourself good, and you really mean others good, and you have generation, you will do the needful. You know, at the same time, make your own decision because everybody have to make their own decision, whether wrong or right, as long as you're proud of yourself in the end. You know, but do the needful.
Keno better presume the worst. Or does he got the same thing too? Before they started dating. Ivany has also been warring back and forth with a couple TikTokers, which includes Candy. At this point, I'm wondering if she just picks on the persons that go #1 on TikTok, because Candy Kane did extremely well on the app by going #1 this week.
There's no artist right. And Swiss that she and I been girl. You think so Swiss did I go start up himself so? Look pam rebel. If you did Swiss Lee couldn't get rebel. Cause rebel them a top girl. You're salting a girl. You wanna I saltest girl them in a girl history no girl. You wanna I move your ears them right now, your ears batter down, you know. Right. I know you look for your ears, can I know, girl. The whole of your ears, changa changa. The whole of your ears, changa changa, you know, girl. I be right, show your ears. Show your ears, girl. Right now, your ears, changa changa. Butter ears, butter foot. Girl. And that's why man them have to shut you know. Remember, say before you pass the border, you know, girl. You never live no way. You never live nowhere, no girl. You have to jump from house to house, you know, girl. Remember, say a Mishi man, you fuck girl, and Mishi hate you, know, girl. Remember, you go Mishi man and give Mishi man gonorrhea. Shot Mishi man and Mishi catch gun. And so come him and Mishi starting a blood argument, you know. And so come him and Mishi starting an argument, you know. You understand me? I say, a piece gozo, piece up on him, you know. Mama tell her this, I say, gozo. You see, Guzo our man way no give girl money. Remember Twep come out concert, you know. Twep say, yo, I want thing, you know. You see, Guzo 21 a we in a room. And Guzo no give with zip nine nail. And you can't hear a girl come out concert. Guzo 21 of them, I not give them $5. And you gonna make Guzo piss by you. And Guzo is a man a love piss pam girl, you know. Guzo love piss up pam girl, you know. You can't tell me say Guzo no piss by you. You see what me I say? A black boy when name where boy your name, he look a boy what she used to par with. He look a bad she used to par with. One thing one will make sure that the dog they stop there. Stop talk. I fuck that them and them Geo man, you know. She got Geo man, you know.
All I know is Candy rub out Ivany. Be careful of these women, man, cause this is crazy. Candy also going on dates this week and causing a stir. I'm not talking a regular date here. Candy goes on Crank TV and goes on a date with a bunch of guys, and I know she had fans laughing.
You look like you're nonsense. Look like you can't go have no big people reasoning. Like if you sit down and talk to you about specific things.
Oh, you know that?
I say you look.
That no say looks not defined.
And to your dress, you look young. Could I know say young? Why am I asking your age? Because you're just like a kid. Not the goat, but you're just like, yeah. I tell you yes or no, I say no. Me say no. No. Because you know I'm looking in your eye. Take off the shades at night. Let me see what I'm going to feel your eye.
Yes, that me know.
Your voice sound deep though. Stop me here. Stop me here. Say, Candy, Moa. Say Candy, Mura. No, just say no, say Candy.
Candy.
Don't laugh, yeah, laugh. That's not show me laugh. Don't laugh. Look at my eye and tell me.
Yeah, give me the thing, man, baby girl.
No, look at my eye and tell me.
Nah, man, so I can give me this thing everyone.
Jesus Christ.
Candy is so hilarious. I can't even take her seriously like. Man drowns in pothole in St. Elizabeth. A drunk man by the name of Vinroy Blackwood who was riding his bicycle home passed out in a pothole of water and basically drowned to death. This is really getting from bad to worse because if people are getting taken like this, the government need to do something about the craters in the road. Not to mention if you are driving on unfamiliar roads when it's dark and land in one of these hellholes. Influencer and TikToker Pops, YG gets arrested after police became suspicious and think he was involved in lottery scamming activities. And to be honest, he kind of put himself out there and basically made himself a target for the police to target him. It is said that he got released from jail though, but youth stop floss on the internet. Just keep a low profile.
Yo, Mr. Moana tap ask me about Pops YG. You me tell you, only tap ask me brother. He man come out of jail. He man good. He man there the road. Isn't me man no get charged with nothing. Stop spread rumor about the youth.
While the health minister is pleading for Jamaican women to get pregnant because of the population decrease, the contraceptive depot, Vera said to be the most effective, is now under a microscope after it has been found to cause brain cancer.
Where will Jamaican women go to file this lawsuit against Depo-Provera? Haven't you guys heard? You can now file a lawsuit for Depo-Provera once you reach the criteria of what that lawsuit entails, because they have now gone public stating that Pfizer intentionally withheld information to the public to let the public know that while being on Depo-Provera birth control method, there is a great possibility that women can develop brain tumors. Sorry to hear about your aunt's diagnosis of developing brain tumor while she was on Depo-Provera. And there are a lot of other Jamaican women who are on this type of birth control method. What I'm encouraging you guys to do, and this is not fear mongering, I'm encouraging you to go in and get screened to ensure that you have not developed brain tumor. If you are lucky enough to not develop it as yet, I am encouraging you to make a conscious decision as women, if you are wanting to live a healthful life, to get off that birth control method. Even after getting off it, there is a great possibility that you may still develop brain tumor. That's the sad reality.
A lot of these medications and contraceptives are like poison to the human body. You don't know if you can trust your doctor anymore because why are they issuing out contraceptives like this that can cause brain tumors? What is the health minister really doing? Because shouldn't there be some process that our medication go through before they hit the pharmacy and our local shelf? Well, I'm almost at the end of this video, but before I go, I leave you with what Shibata say about Ivany after he heard about Ivany's latest activities with Keno.
Them give themselves a Miss Bling and give one. Alright. Ivany, if you get locked up for the gun which you have in a pokey. You see that pokey of hers? It's a criminal. Then Camille, nobody know why you're nothing from me because over 5 years you sit down with demon. That means that you possess. Nobody know why you for show off fast because you